The overall goal of this protocol is to induce calcite precipitation in a stagnant culture of Sporosarcina pasteurii.
This method can help us answer key biophysical questions about Sporosarcina pasteurii mediated calcite precipitation, like the pertinent length and timescales. The main advantage of this technique is the fact that it standardizes the complex steps involved in suitably culturing and enriching Sporosarcina pasteurii that ensures reliable calcite precipitation.
To begin, assemble petri dishes, flasks, tris base, HCl, agar, millipore water, and a pH meter. Sterilize all containers by autoclaving at 121 degrees Celsius before use. Prepare 1 liter of a 0.13 molar aqueous solution of tris buffer by mixing 15.75 grams of tris base with 1 liter of millipore water. Add approximately 2.8 milliliters of 50% HCl to adjust the buffer to a pH of 9.
Once the culture is ready, it must be suitably enriched with a proper buffer. This step is critical to the success of the experiment because a failure to provide the proper chemical environment can lead to very long timescales of precipitation or even a complete lack thereof.
Next, divide the 1 liter of buffer into 2 parts as follows. In one 400 milliliter aliquot, dissolve 8 grams of ammonium sulfate. In a second 400 milliliter aliquot, dissolve 16 grams of yeast extract. In 100 milliliters of the buffer, mix 2 grams of ammonium sulfate.